What's up YouTube, this is Vijay Ansara back with another video, and it's beautifully raining today. Not a good day for a rider, but yeah, a good day for staying home and doing the DIY. So yeah, I am in Surat and isko pehchana kya? Apni purani wali Honda Unicorn. Yep, that's the same old 2004 Honda Unicorn, and it's almost like 16 years. Yeah, my brother got everything back to stock the way it was. The only thing is that the color is completely different. We still have the 72 spokes. So अपने पास और भी बहुत मोटरसाइकिल है, लेकिन ना today's video is not about this, not about Honda Unicorn. Of course, you know, you read the title, and today's video is all about this baby right here. This is the Royal Enfield Interceptor, which we bought it for my brother in Surat. Okay, and there he goes. He's the happy guy right there. Hi. So he's the one who's gonna ride this motorcycle, and I thought we will have gears and couple of things which I'll buy from Bangalore. So I got few things, and today's video is not about the stock bike. Okay, as you can see, no number plate. We got the delivery during the lockdown period, and you can see it looks stunning. I rode it and it's beautiful as usual. There are few changes which I felt are required, and that is where exactly today's video comes in. So let me show you this right here. Yep, already सजा के रखा है दिखाने के लिए what I have bought. So let me start. First of all, let me say thank you to Deep Gogoi, aka Captain Gogo, and he gave me the sticker and the badge and the keychain for the Royal Enfield Interceptor. And then I have the number plate holder. This is from JBR Automotive, which is in JC Road, which this is pretty much the same thing what we bought from, we bought for the R15. And then I have this Pro Taper. So this will go as a cushion. I'll show you where. Then I got this Interceptor wala reservoir cap. Okay, as you can see here. And then I have the metal switch, okay, because I intend to put these or these, so I'll come back to that. Then I have few more. I got one more keychain. I liked it a lot. This is like the sliding one. And I got this metal wala RE, because my brother's bike is orange, so this would go good. And the main part is again this one. So majorly the Interceptor issue is that whenever the pillion sits, okay, we have a challenge right here. You will burn the shoes, the pillion will burn the shoes. So either we will take the foot peg here, which I'm planning to do later. But at this point of time, I wanted to get something for him. He didn't want to immediately change a lot. So here's where will the pillion toe guard will come. Toe guard, leg guard, jo bhi bolna hai wo, support rather. And then from that same JBR Automotive, I got these lights, and I have a set. These are, I think, 15 watts each. And then I had the old 8JG. I don't know how good these are, but purana pada tha, utha liya, dekh liya. Okay. And then what I did is I also bought the Cramster gloves from my brother. And I also got these from him. He didn't want to use it. My brother doesn't do loads of riding, but I wanted to at least get him something to start with. I don't know whether he'll be comfortable, he'll wear it, I have no idea. Then the most important point, this is the saddle stay from Falcon, where we installed all the setup and everything. This is the same set. This is the backrest and the back rack, and this is the saddle stay. And since my friend was not using, he also handed me over the covers, which I thought I might just use it, maybe. So I got 2 extra covers for these. And yeah, this is pretty much it. One important thing, I got the Carbon Racing handlebar risers as well. Okay, so I'm not so sure whether these bolts will fit, and let's give it a try. So all this is gonna go pretty much leaving these things apart. We're gonna go ahead and put all this here on this Interceptor and see. Now the Pro Taper cushion will come here. I'm also planning to bring the position of the handlebar little bit towards the rider, because I'm not comfortable. It's just a little bit outside. Okay, And I'm also planning to get the ceramic coat done on this motorcycle in Surat. So I'm searching for the same. I didn't get my product because I need the machinery. और during the lockdown ये possible नहीं था, तो सोचा चलो छोड़ दो, बाद में देखेंगे. So let's see. We're gonna start with the number plate and everything, and we will take it further from there. Once everything is fitted, I'm gonna show you the whole things again. Process to iska, I've already shown you the process which is in my previous video. The rest of the things are very simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you once everything is installed. Okay, so see you in the next side of the video. Bye. So भाई लोग, welcome back. All the installation is done. Without further ado, let me actually show you what we have done. Okay, ta-da. Yep, I mean, in person this looks way much more better. Let me tell you what all we did. Alright, so first of all, we actually changed the angle of the handlebar. It was kind of weird. It was towards away from the rider, so we got it back. I got this pro taper installed. Okay, and the whole setup, the saddle stay, back rack, and the backrest, as you can see here. Okay, and then the this is the studs box which I had for quite some time. It was at my brother's place, so we just installed. Now on this rack it was easy for me. Let me show you how I did it. I had few clamps like these. You see that? I had metal clamps, and I'm yet to color these, but this I directly bolted it on, and that's pretty much it. It worked out for me, and this is sturdy. And after that I got the pillion foot peg, which was causing problems. Without this the shoes would ideally get burned. So both the sides, this we got it from the showroom for $600. And after that, what we have done, I couldn't do the handlebar riser, to be quite honest. The handlebar risers which I got, it was from the Dominar. Okay, and of course the thread and the bolt of this is completely different. It didn't work out. Okay, for the sake of it, we had my brother like the orange lights, and he did not wanted it to be like the flashy guy thingy. So we kind of integrated. You see this part? It looks lovely. The indicators are not hidden because of the camera angle it looks, but we have carefully made sure the indicators are not hidden at all. And post wedge, yeah, this looks beautiful. We got the reservoir cap done, so the reservoir cap is on top. It looks beautiful. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The box, and it just looks lovely. Let me give you a walk around on this one, okay, slowly, and you can just adjust more. Look at this. Starting, the bike just looks beautiful. Hey Yugu, how are you? Say hi to YouTube. And that's my big Bree. So look at this. Looks beautiful. That RE reservoir cap, the light. Coming to this side, look at that. It looks like a proper tourer. I'm loving it. Yeah, we had to remove the sari guard as well, by the way. It wasn't working out, and this looks beautiful. Let me ask my brother to sit on it and just switch on the motorcycle to at least see how it feels. There you go, my brother. Big B. Okay, let's switch this baby on. Switch it on. Oh, you don't have... I have the key. It's the keys there? No? Okay. By the way, yeah, let me show you. So, guys, this is the key. Royal Brothers. Thank you very much, Mr. Gogo. There you go. I also put the sticker, by the way. Okay, let's see how this sounds. By the way, we have not installed the cabling on this, the fog lights. I mean, we are yet to get the relay. But yeah, how are you feeling now?
Good.
After the box installation and all? Awesome. You're happy?
Also much comfortable.
Yeah, after pulling that handle back towards this side, it is way much more better. You're happy?
Happy, yes.
What about the saddle stay? What do you feel about the saddle stay and back rack?
It's superb.
You love it. The box got fit, so you can put small things there. Saddle stay, you might have to buy some cloth, which we're still gonna do. By the way, we will be doing the seat modification as well. We'll be taking that seat. So we are planning the seat should come till this here. I mean, and this part will be more tougher. So when the pillion sits, he can get the support of the backrest. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I couldn't install the other things. Mainly, there was nothing. So this is pretty much what we got. So thank you very much. I hope you liked the video. And have a nice day ahead. Take care of yourself. And if you buy an Interceptor, say bye to my brother.
Bye.
Yeah. So if you're looking for a setup, please go ahead and check it out at JBR Automotive, which is in JC Road. So thanks a lot. Once again, have a nice day ahead. Take care of yourself and ride safe. बारिश पे मैं नहीं जा रहा. Bye bye.